Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI to increase your business revenue. So basically, we'll use ChatGPT and show how you can actually scale your business, how you can make some plans for your business to make more profit, and so much more, like how to make your work more current and more accurate. So now what I'm going to do is open your device and go to any browser that you have in it. So for me, I'm going to use Google Chrome and then go to the URL section, open AI, and here we go. Now guys, what I need you to do is go to this page and click on try, which is at the top of the page. Now after that, I will close this one, and just like that, this page will be open for me. Now it is open like that for me because I have already signed in my account. For you guys, you are supposed to create an account if you don't have an account already, so you can just sign in, for example, using say, Gmail, Facebook, or even Twitter account. Now with that being done, let's go here and say, how can I increase my, for example, burger shop revenue. For example, that's an example, which is burger shop. Now, there are several ways to increase revenue for a burger shop. Increase menu items, offer a variety of options such as chicken, sandwiches, salads, a site to appeal to a wider customer base, promotions, offer discounts and deals to attract customers and increase sales, marketing, advertise your shop and menu item on social media, upselling, so train your staff to suggest additional items such as ciders or drinks. So improve customer service, delivery and takeout service, online ordering, partnerships, so make some partnership with local businesses and special events and add value. So create a loyalty program and or offer a reward program to incentivize repeat business. So yeah guys, that's how you can use cryptocurrency. You can ask it whatever, not cryptocurrency, you can that's how you can actually ask the AI or use the AI in order to make whatever you want in your business and increase your revenue. You can ask it whatever question you have in your mind and it will answer you. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.